software. Just go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode, and command is limits. So go to specify lower left corner 0, 0, enter upper right corner 297, 210, then zoom or then go to line, select some arbitrary point on the lower left corner of the sheet and screen and click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse in right side and move to some distance and click on the first button of the mouse, and then drag the mouse on the top side and again you take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse and press enter key. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297. You select this vertical line and offset by 297. Similarly, specify offset distance, take the distance as 210 and select object to offset, select the horizontal line and offset to the top side. And go to zoom, extends and zoom 0.7x. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two and fillet between these two, and this is how we can draw A4 size sheet. Then go to zoom window, you select these two and go to dtext, specify start point of site, select some arbitrary point on the screen and take 4 mm height, rotation angle is 0, type the 114th problem. So here a hexagonal lamina of sides 25 mm rests on one of its corners on HP. The lamina makes 45° to HP and the diagonal passing through the corner on which it rests appears to be inclined at 30° to BP. Draw its projections. And go to zoom previous, then go to layer, create on new layer and type it as XY and enter. Click on new, type as views, go to layer, default layer line weight, set it to 0.05 and say OK. Layer XY, the line weight of XY layer, make a default as 0.13. OK, and say views layer line weight, set it to 0.5 and say OK and say close. Now we go for polygon term, and since it is hexagonal lamina, you take 6, take the edge option, select some point on the arbitrary point on the screen and take the distance as 25 and say OK. Then go to draw a line, draw a horizontal line to some distance and go to line, take intersection point of this and perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this. Similarly, line, take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then go to break, select this line at first point, you take int of this and say at the rate, break first point, take intersection part of this and say at the rate. Now you select all these three lines and this hexagon and go to CH and go to layer, take it as views and switch on the line weight display. Now you're going to get this. Then go to copy, select this entire thing of the first position front view and copy it to the next location by taking some distance and click on the first button of the mouse. Then go to rotate, select this by selecting through window, then go to base point, end of this. So rotation angle will take 45° in counterclockwise direction as positive. Then go to line, take in front of this and draw a vertical line. Similarly, line, take in front of this and draw a vertical line. Take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select this as a cutting edge for trim, object to, then enter, then object to trim as this and trim as this. Then go to line, take in front of this and draw a vertical line and take in front of this and draw a vertical line. Here take line, intersection of this and draw perpendicular to this, and then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as these two lines. And go to line, take intersection of this and then int of this and take intersection part of this. Similarly line, take intersection of this and intersection part of these two and take intersection part of these two. Then go to break, first point, take int of this and at the rate. Then go to break, first point, to take intersection of this and say at the rate. Similarly break, first point, take intersection part of this and at the rate. Similarly break, select this line, first point, you take int of this, say at the rate. Similarly break, first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now we take these two and these 6 lines and change the line thickness of this to 0.5, which is views. Then go to group, group, and select this entire thing in a boundary which is on the window and you say enter. Now you go to line, draw a line from here on this side and similarly line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. And now you just go to copy, select the second position top view and base point, select some point and drag it and place it wherever you want. Then go to rotate, select this as the object and take intersection part of this. So what is the rotation angle? Minus 30 degrees because it is rotating in clockwise direction. Then go to move, select this, putting the ortho mode off, place some distance from the XY line and click on the first button of the mouse and again go to ortho mode. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly line, take intersection part of these two. Then go to line, take intersection of this and draw perpendicular to this. And then go to line, take intersection of this and draw perpendicular to this and say fillet between these two. Then go to line, take intersection of this and draw a horizontal line and take a line int of this and draw perpendicular to this and then take line intersection of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly line, take intersection part of this and draw horizontal line and take intersection part of this and take perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two and also between these two. Now we go for line, take intersection, type int and type int and type int intersection and take int, then int and say close. Now we have all these things. Then go to zoom previous, you just select this line and go to layer, make this as XY and then select all these 6 lines and take the layer and you make this as views. Then go to break this till here. Similarly you break this till here. Then go to move, select this entire drawing and switch off the ortho mode and place it wherever you want. Then go to DDIM, so come down to DDIM, then go to modify, then take primary units as 0 precision and then go to text height as 4, center becomes above, aligned with the dimension line, so this has got 3 symbols and arrows, take this as 4 and then go to line, offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Then go to dim horizontal, select this line and take 25 and dim angular, select between these two, so it is 45 degree. Then select between this line and this line, it will be 30 degrees. Then dim TED, select this and place it wherever you want. Similarly you take 30 degrees here. Then detext, go to detext, here put the caps lock on, type X, you type Y, you type VP and then HP here and put the caps lock off, small a, B, C, D, E and F. So here A dash and here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, here it is E dash in bracket and here it is F dash in bracket. Then go to move, select this and place it wherever you want. Then go to VP and here HP. So here A dash, here it is B dash, then go to C dash, and here it is D dash, and similarly it is E dash, and here it is F dash, and here A, and here it is B, here it is C, and here it is D, here it is E, and here it is F. Now go to copy, select A dash and copy it here, then go to B dash and you copy it here, then F dash you copy it here, then C dash you copy it here, then E dash you copy it here, then D dash you copy it here. Then similarly you take copy, take A, and here you copy this here, E. Similarly B, you copy this here and you copy it this here. Then go to copy C, copy this here and also here. Similarly it is D, copy this here and here. Similarly it is E, copy E, take this here and here. Similarly F, copy this here and also here. Go to zoom previous, go to zoom window, then you just come down to this, you mark this as A dash, you mark this as B dash, mark this as C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash. Then go to move, select this, you mark this as A dash, you take this as B dash, you take this as F dash, you take this as E dash, you mark this as C dash, and you mark this as D dash. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing, and this will going to be the final solution. And then you just go to save and go to appropriate directory, go to AutoCAD, go to lamina drawing, say P114 and save it. And finally